Most people get this wrong, and they end up paying huge cancellation fees they didn't even need to pay. The truth is, canceling your ADT Inc. service in 2026 can be simple, but only if you understand the contract rules before you make the call. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel ADT the right way, how to avoid early termination penalties, and what most people miss that costs them hundreds of dollars. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make. They call support first without checking their contract. But here's the problem. ADT contracts usually have a fixed term, often 24 to 36 months. If you cancel early without a valid reason, you may face an early termination fee. So, before doing anything, log into your ADT account or check your original agreement and find your contract end date. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your contract is close to ending, you don't actually need to cancel aggressively. You can schedule your cancellation for the exact end date, and this avoids penalties completely. Timing matters more than most people realize. But what if you still have months left? This is where strategy matters. First, call ADT customer service and clearly state your request. Do not just say, "I want to cancel." Instead, say you want to review your cancellation options and ask about early termination fees. This forces them to explain your exact charges and sometimes opens the door for negotiation. In a minute, I'll show you a trick that can sometimes reduce or even remove fees completely. If you're moving to a new home, you may have another option. ADT often allows you to transfer your service to your new address instead of canceling. In some cases, this resets your agreement rather than ending it, which can avoid penalties. Now here's the key strategy most people miss. If you have a valid reason like financial hardship, military relocation, or service issues, you can request a fee waiver. You need to be calm, clear, and specific. For example, explain your situation and ask if they can review your account for cancellation relief options. Also, always return your equipment properly. Failure to return devices like control panels or sensors can result in extra charges even after cancellation. To wrap it up, the safest way to cancel ADT in 2026 without penalties is simple. Check your contract first. Time your cancellation correctly. Call support with a clear plan. And ask about waiver or transfer options. Most people lose money because they rush. You won't. If this helped you avoid fees or confusion, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear guides that save you money and stress.